Quick review of one of my favorite lights. Meet the Lume Cube Mini Bicolor LED light. I absolutely love this panel light. This is actually mounted on a Lume Cube tripod, which I love. I have several of these. I think I have four now, two featured here, the exact same light. I wanted to be able to show you the front and back. It does, just to give a comparison, it's smaller than my hand, which is really cool. I leave these in my camera bag. I'll use it on my desk setup, which is where I am now. It does come with a diffuser, which just pops on or off. I've only ever used it with it on, so I've never even taken it off. I'd much rather have diffused light, but that choice is yours. The battery on life on this thing is incredible. I have not charged these for well over a month, which is just so neat. I'll turn it on here. It's going to be really hard to see the LCD screen in the back. Hopefully you guys can. Several indicators right here, but very simple. You're going to have battery life. Once again, we're over 50%, haven't charged it in over a month. You're going to have the current battery life at the setting you're running right now. Like, how cool is that? So if you're running this for a long podcast, an hour long, depending on the light, it's going to tell you how long you're going to get at the current settings. I think that's so neat. You're able to control the brightness of the light all the way down from 1% to 100. I don't think I've ever even ran this thing at over 20% just because it's that bright. And then you can run it anywhere from 3200 Kelvin all the way up to 5600, once again, bicolor. Really neat design. And I'll talk quickly about this tripod. It does come with a hot shoe mount, so you can mount this on a DSLR, you could put it on a GoPro, any other mounts that you have. I don't do that very often. I'm a big believer of getting the light off the camera so that you can control it. Like, I'll do it off to the sides. And so this tripod, I absolutely love it. You simply turn the bottom like this and the legs come up. So it's ultra portable. I would call it, I don't know, 7 or 8 inches when it's at this point. If you extend the legs down like that, it's now going to be a 12-inch tripod. And this will actually extend all the way up to 30 inches. It is on a ball mount as well, so you can completely control that. Sometimes I'm doing some macro work, and so I'll actually put it more down like that, which is a really neat feature. I love the light, obviously, and I also love this tripod. I highly recommend. I've had it for several years.